Lucy, stop it now. Give it a clap, give it a clap. Everybody going in now. I tell you, this place is a place for action. This is a real action place.
Oh, stop it.
There goes Molly. Go, Molly, go.
That was not funny. Oh my god, that was funny. I was like, don't turn on mental here. Don't do like you. That's really bad. Oh my god. That was real funny. Don't go.
That is one hardened dog.
It was funny as but what if she stopped and she tired and she's like blind and she's like dog that's what I was saying.
Let's follow Molly. Yes.
You filmed it?
Yes, yes.
Her going in the water?
Yes.
Oh, brilliant. You must put it, you must send it into you being...
water.
Huh?
Like the woman.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a YouTube video.
Yes.
That's perfect.
You must send it into you being framed. You know?
Yeah.
That would be so funny. We'll get £200 for that.
Oh.
So good. Was it zoomed in?
Not too much. No, it's not a.
No, but when she fell in the water.
Yeah, I did get that.
Oh, that was good. That would be brilliant. You don't send it in, I will send it in. That would be...